Alright, so this is going to be a very simple makeup tutorial, very quick. I'm hoping it'll be like under 5 minutes. Super quick for you guys, but I already have my face makeup on and everything. I will link what I use down below. So we're going to be going in with the Huda Beauty New Nude palette right here. I love this palette right here. It's so beautiful. And then we open it up and here is the inside. Such a beautiful palette. This is so good for everyday makeup. So I'm taking the Doll 10 by Makeup Molly Dimension Designer brush right here, and I whipped it off, and we're going to be going into the color Teddy, which is this kind of like neutral brown color. It's so unique, but I love it. And we're going to start placing this into the crease. We're going to make sure the outer part is very, very blended, but nothing too heavy with the color, just a very light color. Alright, so we have this color built up very well, such a beautiful color, not too drastic. I want to keep this very simple as you guys have been asking for simple makeup looks. So I'm going to take that same brush, same color, and start smoking it under the eyes very lightly. Alright, now I'm just wiping off a little bit, and we're going to be going into the color Play, which is this color right here. And we're taking that and we're using this to make sure it's very diffused at the top and outer area right here. This color makes everything so soft. So that's why we're using it. Alright, so now we're going to be going into the color Charmed, which is this color right here, and I don't think I've ever used it. I'm just taking my finger, and that came off a lot darker than I thought, but we're going to be laying this onto the lid. Yeah, way different of a color than I thought, but we're just going to lay it on both lids. Alright, now I'm just going to take this finger right here. We're going to go into the color Crave, which is this one, a little bit more of a silvery golden color. And I'm just going to very lightly lay that on top. Alright, now going in with that same brush we were using, and we're going to go into the color, we're going to take the color Raw, which is this color right here. A little bit of a deeper color, and we're just going to use it just to very lightly put it on the outer end. Alright, now I'm just going to take this pencil brush. This is the Crown C513 pencil brush, and we're going to go in with the e.l.f. Plus Glow Highlighter in the color Moonlight. So we're going to go into this one, and we're going to go ahead and just take it on the brush and pop it into the inner corner. So now I'm going to go in with the Tarte Big Ego mascara right here. And we're just going to put this on the top and bottom lashes, just as usual. Alright, now for the last step, we're going to go in with the Joah Beauty or Joah Cosmerics lipstick. This is in the color Jomo. And we're just going to put this on the lips. Alright, so that is everything for this video. I just want to make this very quick and simple for you guys. I didn't really have time to film a big, long video, but I just wanted to go ahead and film something. And I think this is so simple. I do looks like this constantly on the daily basis just for a very everyday look. So anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.